Having trouble playing WhatsApp voice chats on your iPhone? It might be due to audio settings, network issues, or app bugs. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix the problem and get those voice messages working again. So let's dive in and get started. Solution 1. Check hardware issue. Open up the App Store. Tap the search icon. Type check my device on the search bar. Tap the install icon. Then tap open. After that, tap allow/don't allow. Scroll down. Now tap sound test. Tap on the screen. Now tap on the play icon. Try to slide left or right to check the sound volume whether it is working perfectly or not. If it's working perfectly, then there is no problem with your hardware. If it's not working perfectly, that means there is a hardware issue. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go to the settings again. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on background app refresh. Again, tap on background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back, scroll down, find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 4. Check iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app on iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete app. Finally, tap Delete app again. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. Hope this helps. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Got any questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.